Hello, this is my Module 6 reflection. My thoughts after going through the 3 and 4 units, I thought it was very beneficial to learn all of those things. I knew about Google Classroom and stuff like that, but I didn't know Google Groups was a thing, which I guess it's different in college because you use Blackboard, and so I feel like your discussion boards are just on Blackboard. But in high school, I feel like that would have been beneficial to use Google Groups, and I don't think I've ever used that before because we use Google Classroom just for like announcements and assignments and stuff. But Google Groups can allow an educator to share information with like parents easier, so you're not emailing each individual one or making sure stuff like I feel like Google Groups is just easier for you to spread that information because just one like thing to do rather than sending an email to each of the parents or typing in all of their email addresses and stuff like that. And I feel like this is a simpler way to do that. So yeah, I do feel like Google Educator certification would expand my knowledge on technology and make everything more efficient because I would know those type of things like that, and I could make it more efficient for the classroom, and it could benefit my classroom and my parent, like getting information to parents and getting information to students. I feel like it would be easier if I knew all this stuff about Google and what all I can do with it. Um, for the second one, my experience working with Google Slides or Docs, I have always liked those better, even in high school. I feel like that's always what we used. And I feel like Word is just a little more complicated. So, like with Google Slides or Docs, it saves automatically, and I think it's easier for groups to edit. So, like with Word, you can share it with someone, like email it to them or something, which maybe I don't know all my information on it, but I just feel like it's more beneficial because with your Google Doc or Google Slide, like multiple people can type at once as long as you're on like a different slide or a different line to type on. So yes, I feel like that's very beneficial, and I like it a lot better than Microsoft Word and Excel and all of that stuff. So yeah.